Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're in for an exciting adventure as we explore one of the most innovative and luxurious airports in the world, Qatar Airport. I'm your host, Derek, and I'm thrilled to take you on this adventure. Let's get started. From its state-of-the-art facilities to its world-class services, Qatar Airport offers travelers an experience like no other. Qatar Airport prioritizes passenger safety without compromising on speed and convenience. With advanced technology and rigorous procedures, you can breeze through security in no time. One of the perks of flying with Qatar Airways is access to their exclusive lounges. Here, passengers can unwind in style. Renowned for their world-class service and luxurious amenities, Qatar Airways ensures that every journey is a memorable one. Qatar Airport isn't just any airport. It's a masterpiece of modern engineering and design. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, boarding our Qatar Airways flight. Qatar Airport isn't just any airport. It's a masterpiece of modern engineering and design. From the moment you step inside, you're greeted by sleek lines, grand spaces, and an ambience of luxury. Check-in at Qatar Airport is a breeze thanks to their state-of-the-art self-service kiosks. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, the efficiency here is unmatched. One of the perks of flying with Qatar Airways is access to their exclusive lounges. Here, passengers can unwind in style, enjoying gourmet meals, refreshing beverages, and even spa treatments before their flight. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, the efficiency here is unmatched. One of the perks of flying with Qatar Airways is access to their exclusive lounges. Qatar Airport is not just a transportation hub. It's also a celebration of art and culture. From stunning installations to captivating exhibitions, you'll find inspiration at every turn. Qatar Airport boasts an impressive array of shops, from luxury brands to local boutiques, offering travelers the perfect opportunity for some last-minute shopping. During your layover, Qatar Airport offers transit hotels equipped with cozy rooms and convenient facilities, allowing you to relax and recharge before your next flight. Well, folks, that wraps up our adventure at Qatar Airport. From its world-class facilities to its commitment to excellence, it's easy to see why this airport is considered one of the best in the world. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and until next time, safe travels.